Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope that you all are fit and fine and staying at home. Now, as the things are reopening, and if you are going out, please maintain proper social distancing, wear your mask properly, and follow all the rules and regulations. So, now getting back to our studies. In today's English class, we are going to study your grammar chapter, that is pronoun. And in pronoun, we will study subject pronoun and object pronoun. And in this chapter, we will learn what is a subject pronoun and what is an object pronoun and how to distinguish between them. But before starting with this, we should also know what is a pronoun. So, a pronoun are the words that take the place of a noun. For example, Ria is my best friend. In this sentence, I am talking about my friend Ria. So, Ria is the name of a girl, and you all know the name of a person, place, animal or thing is noun. So, Ria is a noun. And now I want to tell something more about my friend. So, instead of repeating Ria, I have replaced this Ria with a word she. So, she is a good dancer. Therefore, as I have told you earlier, the word which replaces a noun is a pronoun. So, she is a pronoun. Likewise, I, you, he, she, it, we, they all are pronoun. I is used when you're talking about yourself, you when you're talking about someone else, he when you're talking about a boy, she when you're talking about a girl, it when you're talking about something or animal, we when you are talking about more than one person. It's a plural pronoun. They is also a plural pronoun. Now moving further and to the main topic of our today's class, that is what is a subject pronoun. So subject pronoun does the action in a sentence. When you are talking about some action in a sentence, कोई काम किसी काम का होना हम सेंटेंस में बता रहे हैं, वो जो काम हो रहा है वो जिसके द्वारा किया जाए, the person who is doing that pronoun is subject pronoun. Like in this sentence, if I am telling that Jack is a driver, I am telling you about Jack, that Jack is a driver. And the next sentence, I have replaced this Jack with a pronoun he. And now I am telling about that he drives a bus. So drives is an action over here, and the action is done by he. So this is subject pronoun. The action is done by he, and I have told you the person who does the action is subject pronoun. We change the noun with pronoun, and that pronoun who is doing the action, जो काम कर रहा है, that is subject pronoun. So moving further, there are many pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I met a man. So in this sentence, who met the man? I. So I is singular subject pronoun. We are going to party. Here we are talking about that we are going to party. Who are going to party? We. The action is going, and who all are going? We. So we is plural pronoun. You are watching video. Now you is used as subject pronoun as well as object pronoun. You will study about object pronoun in this video further, but you is used as both subject pronoun as well as object pronoun depending upon the action done or receiving. Doing or receiving we decide whether it is subject or object. अगर you काम कर रहा है, जो action हो रहा है वो you कर रहा है, then it is subject pronoun. Like here, watching video. तो काम क्या हो रहा है? Watching video and the work is done by you. You ही वो कर रहा है, तो subject pronoun. So now moving on to object pronoun. Object pronoun is receiver of an action. जो action हो रहा है उसको जो receive कर रहा है, that is object pronoun. जो action main thing जो कर रहा है वो subject, और जिसके लिए किया जा रहा है, जिसके ऊपर किया जा रहा है, जो उस action का receiver है, that is object pronoun. Like in the sentence, I saw him today. Saw is the action. कौन कर रहा है? I. किसके ऊपर ये action हो रहा है? Him. मैं so him is the object pronoun. Now next sentence, Joey is talking to her. Talking is the action and to whom? Her. Okay? Her. So her से बात की जा रही है, तो her is object pronoun. Other object pronoun, me, us, you, her, him, them, it. So these are all object pronouns. My mom loves me. Loves is the action and me is object. किसको प्यार किया जा रहा है? Me. I saw you driving. अभी आपने पहले क्या पढ़ा था? You are watching video. You जो है वो वीडियो देख रहा है. Now in this sentence आप क्या कह रहे हैं? I saw you. I. Action is done by I. क्या action? Saw. किसको? You. तो यहाँ you के ऊपर action हो रहा है, so it is object pronoun. Now the third one, I have a car. मेरे पास एक कार है. I bought it 2 years ago. It. Now car is a noun, name of a thing, and I have replaced car with a pronoun it. So it 2 years ago. So here it act as object pronoun. Like you, it is also used as subject pronoun and object pronoun depending upon the situation. We decide कि whether it is subject pronoun or object pronoun. So moving further, these are the important points that you should remember. It and you can be used either as subject pronoun or as object pronoun. The subject pronoun come before the verb. जो भी action हो रहा है हमेशा subject pronoun उसके पहले use किया जाता है. Object pronoun हमेशा action के बाद use किया जाता है. Okay, so these are the subject pronouns and these are the object pronoun. So children, I hope that you have understood the chapter, and please revise the chapter properly, do the exercises, and thank you and have a nice day.